In this video, let us look at the vapor density and density. So before understanding about the vapor density, let us know what is density first. Density is nothing but small d equal to mass by volume. Mass of a substance and the volume occupied by the substance is nothing but the density. Accordingly, we'll have the particles of low density and high density. And we know that if two substances X and Y are placed together, low dense substance will float on the surface and high dense substance will settle at the bottom. Suppose X is of low density, so X will be floating on the top and Y will be settled at the bottom. This is the meaning of density, that is relation between the mass and volume. Its units are gram per centimeter cube or kg per meter cube. Now if we look at the vapor density Vd is related with the mass of any X gas, mass of an X gas by the volume of the same X gas by mass of hydrogen gas by volume of hydrogen gas. Here volume of the X gas is taken equal to the volume of the hydrogen gas. So these two are going to be same. Then the vapor density will be equal to, from this, mass of X gas by mass of hydrogen gas. Here mass of hydrogen gas, in the sense it is 2. So molar mass by 2. So vapor density is related to molar mass of a particular gas by 2, or from this molar mass will be equal to 2 into vapor density. This is vapor density, and density is another term which is normally calculated from mass by volume. Now here density contains volume term in the denominator, but the vapor density has no volume term, because the volume being the same, they got cancelled out with each other. So density is dependent on temperature. Density is dependent on temperature because there is volume term in the formula. As the temperature increases, volume increases. As the temperature decreases, volume decreases. Suppose if the temperature increases, the volume also increases. Since the volume is in the denominator, overall density value will decrease. So with the increase in the temperature, there is a decrease in the density. So density is dependent on temperature, but vapor density is independent on temperature. Vapor density does not vary with the temperature. This is the relationship between vapor density and density.